कोविड शील्ड का पहला टीका लग चुका है। ये that to none other than हमारी मिसेस इंडिया विनर, टूरिज्म क्वीन, इंटरनेशनल डेलीगेट Surbhi Tiwari. Surbhi, welcome on board. I'm so proud of you. Mrs. India family is so very proud of you, Surbhi.
Thank you, ma'am. It's such a, great honor and pleasure.
आपको अभी कैसे फील हो रहा है? मतलब जैसे डू यू फील लाइक देयर इज अ शील्ड अराउंड यू जो कोविड से आपको सेव कर रही है? आपको लग रहा है कि आप अभी पैंडेमिक से बाहर आ गए हो? हाउ डज इट फील आफ्टर टेकिंग द कोविड शील्ड वैक्सीन?
I'm feeling so protected. I'm sure. I have time to get complete that shield to come around, but feeling बहुत ज़्यादा strong आ रही है. Getting a very positive feel that soon we'll be out of it. After 28 days, my second shot is due, but I already started feeling that I've got a coverage around myself.
Wow, that we at Mrs. India are so proud of you that you continued your services. मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि Surbhi is a frontline fighter. She continued her services. जब एकदम staunch लॉकडाउन था, जब हम अपने घर के बाहर भी कदम नहीं रख सकते थे, उन दिनों में भी सुरभि ने अपनी फुल टाइम तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, इनफैक्ट फुल टाइम से भी ज्यादा उठ के अपनी सर्विस दी है. शी मैनेज्ड कोविड हॉस्पिटल, नोएडा का सबसे बड़ा कोविड हॉस्पिटल, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, सुरभि.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. One of the biggest hospitals. Yes.
One of the biggest hospitals. अकेले उन्होंने मैनेज किया. एंड आई नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट वाज टू ट्रैवल टू द हॉस्पिटल, कोविड हॉस्पिटल, फिर वापस आओ, देन टेक बाथ एंड देन कंटिन्यू दी सर्विसेज. एंड दैट टू नॉट फॉर 1 or 2 days. उनको वेकेशंस, हॉलीडेज भी नहीं थे. नॉर्मल जो छुट्टियां होती है सैटरडे संडे, वो भी उनके हाथ से गई थी. एंड इतने सारे सिचुएशन में इतने पेशेंस से, इतनी शांति से, धैर्य से, सुरभि आपकी जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए ना, मतलब यू आर रियली सो इंस्पिरेशनल. सिर्फ ब्यूटीफुल, ऑफ कोर्स वी कॉल हर अ डॉल. आई एम श्योर यू कैन मेक आउट, शी लुक्स लाइक अ डॉल. वो एक चलती फिरती डॉल है मिसेस इंडिया की. बट नॉट लाइक दैट प्लास्टिक डॉल टाइप. शी इज वेरी कमिटेड. शी इज वेरी मच कमिटेड टू हर वर्क. एंड हर चीज में उनको परफेक्शन चाहिए होता है. सो सुरभि, फर्स्ट थिंग, we are very 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 proud of you. And it feels so good कि अभी आपको कोविड शील्ड आपको लग चुकी है. now you're really safe, of course, because you are the one who's supposed to get it first. so how it feels? मतलब ये लेने के बाद आपको कुछ लगा कि फीवर, या जनरली, मतलब what is the procedure basically? like I'm so excited to know क्या होता है procedure.
So first of all, ma'am, thank you so much for all your lovely words. I'm really feeling honored. It was really a tough time when it started. Yes, we were feeling that time was really tough. When lockdown tha and all that, doctors had to put in so much of our effort. They are actually real warriors, and we were like supporting hands to them as a healthcare warriors. हम उनके साथ पीछे back end पे उनको support दे रहे थे. But now it's time when the vaccine is here and it's available in hospitals. So it actually felt amazing. To be true, just to start with, हमें थोड़ा सा apprehension था when we were a little afraid. लेना है, नहीं लेना है. Yesterday was the first day in the hospital, and we were a little worried because anyways, जब भी कुछ नई चीज आती है, you feel a little apprehensive. But then I was the 60th one. जो numbers में, and we were asking everyone, how are you feeling? Is it paining? Are you getting fever? Something. But I'll tell you, it was absolutely painless. Absolutely. हम जैसा सोचते हैं कि vaccine not even like, it was not even like a pinch or prick or something like that. So I must say the staff who is coming to administer the injection, it's very, very well trained. It was, we were not expecting. It's absolutely painless at the time of administering the injection. Then they ask us to like sit there or lie there for half an hour. That time the feeling was absolutely normal. We were not feeling absolutely anything. We waited there for half an hour, then we resumed our work. Yesterday I took it around 11 o'clock and we resumed. We were working yesterday. But as expected, as it was told to us that there will be some symptoms, जैसे कि होता ही है वैक्सीनेशन या टीके के बाद छोटे बच्चों को भी जैसा फीवर एक्सपेक्टेड था, it was expected for us as well. And I am, feeling a little, this body ache है थोड़ा सा, getting a little feverish वाली feeling है, though it's not a very high fever for me. Everybody is showing different kind of symptoms. Some of them are really perfectly fine, they're not feeling anything. Some of them are feeling, वो जो site है वहाँ पे, they are feeling a little pain. For me, वहाँ पे injection वाला area is paining a little, and I'm getting fever. तो मेरा, as per doctors, mostly it should be okay by today. I mean, I should be over and then feel. I mean, लेकिन fever से मुझे somehow feeling आ रही है कि वो properly react कर रहा है, and I'm getting that shield around me. So I'm feeling kind of happy that medicine is reacting inside my body and I'll be fine soon. So I'll be protected.
Definitely, like जैसे मतलब जनरली हम लोग कुछ भी न्यू आ जाता है बॉडी में, तो बॉडी इज सपोज टू रिएक्ट, and now you are reacting against COVID-19. इतना भयंकर वायरस है वो कोरोना वायरस, तो बॉडी इतने बड़े इससे करना, when you were telling it was the 60th number and we are waiting in queue, मुझे वो ना अपने स्कूल में बचपन में जब वैक्सीन देते थे ना, हाउ वी यूज्ड टू स्टैंड एंड वी यूज्ड टू क्राई, वो टीका लगाने से पहले आधे लोग तो भाग जाते थे, उनको पकड़ के लाना पड़ता था एंड ऑल दैट. Like it reminded me that.
Absolutely, वही वाली फीलिंग तो आती है, मतलब थोड़ा सा लगता है जाना है, थोड़ा भी we were like pulling ourselves back, but हम थोड़ा सा somehow we were feeling a little privileged कि we are getting vaccinated, so that privileged feeling was also there कि चलो, we couldn't get our leaves, we've been working all the time, so
True.
at least it's paying us back that we are getting vaccinated on time. So
I think you deserve that privilege. आप लोगों ने जितनी सर्विसेज दी है, बिना डरे, of course डर तो सबको लगता है, and that too you have to come back to your family, and there are chances that you will pass on your infection to your family, your kids, your husband. उसमें काम करना तो आप this is not privilege. I think this is your right to have it first. All these healthcare workers, and definitely world में ऐसे बहुत सारे देश हैं जहाँ पे ये वैक्सीन अवेलेबल भी नहीं है. So we are definitely, I'm really proud of Indian scientists जिन्होंने ये, it is something, we should applaud to them, and they're actually, they're the savers of this world. और इतने जल्दी हमारे यहाँ आई है, and it is so safe. एंड अभी तो मतलब सभी हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स ले रहे हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स इट इज अ प्रिविलेज बिकॉज अभी हर किसी के लिए अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो व्हेन यू थिंक कि हम तक कब तक पहुंचेगी, मतलब ऑर्डिनरी लोगों तक कब तक पहुंचेगी ये?
Ma'am, I think, I'm sure it should be available like end of February or first week of March. Now healthcare to mostly 10-15 days, I think the hospitals and frontliners will be covered. First shot at least will be covered. Then I think it will be available for general public. I think it should be, because the production is going on really fast. Actually, it's a proud time for India that humne itni jaldi we have developed this vaccine in that quantity that we are ready to supply even to the other countries.
Yes,
so I'm sure next 15 days, I think it should be available.
And it is something.
And government has really worked out.
It gives such a proud feeling, कि इंडिया में जब हमारी इतनी भयंकर पॉपुलेशन है, इतनी ज्यादा, चाइना में भी अभी आई थिंक अभी तक रेडी नहीं है, और मतलब द फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन इन द वर्ल्ड वहां पर भी नहीं है, बट हमारे यहाँ है, तो इट इज समथिंग, I don't know. And what you think, is it safe? What you suggest? It is like, we should not think about it and just go for it. Because see, I'm very skeptical. Like, I'm like, I'm fine. I'm fine without taking the vaccine. I will take care of myself. I'll stay safe at home. What you suggest? People should, when it is available for us, should we go ahead and take it without fear? And
Ma'am, being into healthcare, I will surely suggest that you should go for it. Vaccinations are always, a vaccination always gives some kind of a protection. Rather than how much ever we are responsible enough for ourselves, still there are chances we may get it from somewhere, something going. Vaccination will help us to have that herd immunity, जिसके लिए हम इतने टाइम से कोशिश कर रहे थे. And once herd immunity will be there, I think that life will get back to normal, which is very important. We need to get back to our lives back.
And after
So
taking this
I
vaccination,
personally feel it's a good idea.
it's good idea. Yeah. Now, after taking the vaccination, do we have to follow any diet or some regime or something, or it's just move on? Like, कैसा होता है वैक्सीन का पहले कुछ डाइट या कुछ प्रोसीजर होती है that okay you are not supposed to have water or particular diet या बाद में ऐसा कुछ है इसका वैक्सीन का?
Diet, so there was no instruction. Diet was absolutely normal.
Okay.
But for many patients जो कि blood thinners पे हैं, those who are taking ecospirin, the blood pressure है जिनको, or who've had heart related, valve related problem, or those who are having some kind of a fever or cold, उनके लिए advised है to discuss it with the doctor and inform in advance. क्योंकि कुछ मेडिसिन है जो कि शायद कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड है, जिनको वैक्सीनेशन लेने से 1-2 दिन पहले बंद करना है. So
अच्छा.
mostly I've heard that ecospirin. I'm not exactly. I mean, I'm sure इसका ये है कि they need to talk to the doctor first which medicine to stop and then take the vaccination. So अगर कोई भी medicine चल रही तो it is advisable to talk to doctor. Diet के लिए तो as such हमें कोई instruction नहीं थी. So diet is before vaccination and after.
Yeah, so the administration by doctor is something, and of course it is must because it is available only, to the certain people. So definitely वो होगा, but I think when it will be into the huge numbers, जब जब ordinary लोगों तक पहुंचेगा, so I don't think कि किसी के पास इतना time होगा that each and every person that they will consult and speak. So I don't know how it is going to be, but I'm really looking forward. World का, I think this is going to be the biggest program in the world. इतनी बड़ी.
I'm sure it's the biggest immunization program. And अभी as of now इसका जो administration है वो government trained nurses हैं वो ही कर रही हैं. मतलब it's not that even that though we are working in hospital, but हमारी nurses ये administer नहीं कर रही थी. They have an entire team coming to the hospital. उनकी पूरी team आ रही है. The nurses are there who are administering the vaccination. There is a team who is checking our papers and our जो identity proof and all that. They're checking that. Then we are waiting. Then we are reaching our location जहाँ पे वो हमें vaccine दे रहे हैं. देने के बाद they are issuing us a card also. And they're maintaining our complete data, everything. So it's absolutely maintained by government. It's nothing that our own hospital is not doing the vaccination part of it. We're just doing the administration part of it. So I'm sure शायद बाद में भी whenever it will be available, I think there'll be some control mechanism going on along.
Yes, and I think
वही है कि हर कोई डॉक्टर से तो नहीं पूछ सकता, बट हाँ हर कोई डॉक्टर से तो नहीं पूछ सकता, बट अगर कोई भी अंडरलाइंग हेल्थ कंडीशन है, सो आई एम श्योर ये पहले अपने किसी भी डॉक्टर से बात करने के बाद ही लेना would be nice thing to do. Better.
Yeah, and that too, it is something, pandemic है ना, मतलब हम लोगों ने कभी pandemic देखा नहीं है ना, हमारे generation ने, and so for us this is definitely very very scary situation, और उसके बाद सेफ जोन में जाने से भी हमें इतना डर लग रहा है कि भाई because there are so many news that coming on news, even into the mainstream, which most of them are false, but that we come to know later, पर तो फिर वो तो विधावस्था रह जाती है कि भाई should I take it or should I not take it? So and it's really good, Surbhi, that you are the tourism queen, right? तो इस कोविड ने तो सारा ट्रैवल ही हम लोगों का ठप कर दिया है, and now you're the first free to travel now. I mean, of course we are free, but with the shield around you. I think somehow you justify to whatever the title that you have with you.
Somehow, yes. Somehow, luckily, touch with that. I mean, I'll be the first one to get immunized, at least amongst our team. And I think I'll be a good experience also for all of you, that I can share that what all has happened. True. And if everything is fine, I can give my whatever understanding I'll have in like 28 days में जब दोनों immunization हो जाएंगे, what all happened, what all was my experience, I'll share, and I'm sure that everybody can decide how to go about it.
Definitely. Like I was so happy, like when I saw your picture, I was like, oh my god, vaccination हो गई COVID-19.
We also felt like as if हमको कोई award मिला है, as if we have received some kind of award. जाते में बहुत डरे थे, but करने के बाद we felt like 7 पे हैं हम types. So got the pictures, हर एक step की picture click की है हम.
See, it is an award, right? I mean, पूरी दुनिया तरस रही है उस वैक्सीन के लिए, and you are the one elite to get that, you know. So definitely, so we will have our next review with you, maybe in between somewhere, and then after you, once you take the second टीका, hopefully उसके बीच में हम लोगों को कुछ मिल जाए, कुछ relief मिल जाए, but definitely we will have that, Surbhi, and you take care. You're having a little fever, that I understand. So you have any message for us, you know, for the everyone, being a tourism queen, being Mrs. India, for all the people after taking the tika?
After taking tika also, being a Mrs. Tourism Queen, I'll just tell them, just try to stay safe, though the vaccine is available. I mean, we have started taking our immunization, but still it's advised to take your precautions. Life is going to resume back, but it's always good to take precautions. The pandemic has actually taught us to
a lot,
be safe and take care of ourselves in the tough times and be with the family. So just enjoy your time and let's resume as soon as possible.
Super. So take care, Surbhi. Congratulations one more time.
Thank you, ma'am.
The first COVID-19 shield का टीका लगाने वाली first queen of, you know, COVID-19 vaccine जिसको मिली है, and 2021 की, I think this is the best news in Mrs. India, you know.
Yes, it's really a great news. I'm feeling really great. And let's hope for all further good news to come for all of us.
Yes, Mrs. India 2021 is going to be rocking for sure. We were eagerly waiting for this moment. You know, at least this is the beginning. It's not available for everyone, but this is the first good news of Mrs. India in Mrs. India for the year 2021, that हमारी खुद की winner, you know, हमारी tourism queen को COVID shield का टीका लग चुका है. You know, it is like news for us. So stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Mrs. India. And of course, you have spoken to Queen now, and soon we will be coming among all of you. Definitely our tourism queen, you know, our planet winner, Asia International, we all will be coming among you, and we will have a great year 2021 with Mrs. India. Thank you, Surbhi. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hoping that everything will be over soon and we all will be able to meet personally and we'll be able to have that video wherein we'll be live there on this stage with you and just want to rock again.
Yes, we're going to rock again.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Take care and take care of your health. Yes, 2021, we're going to rock. Take care of...
Rock and good. Our new season queen also will be there soon with us in the 2021. Waiting for that time also now.
Yes, yes. And you're not, you know, crocin or anything, right? You're just normal, like you're not taking any medication.
No, I'm taking crocin. I'm taking Dolo. Dolo is a paracetamol, so I'm taking Dolo. Okay. Every 6 hours I'm taking Dolo because that little body ache is there, and जब वो थोड़ा body ache and feverish लगता है, so I feel a little shivering also. So है वो कल से. And now it's getting better, but then I'm taking every 6 hours. I'm taking a Dolo.
Oh, super.
So hopefully, maybe by tomorrow, I should be okay. Little feeling is there.
Super. Sure. So we take care. See you soon. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.
Bye-bye.
Mrs. India. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.